everybody, this is Robert the Tool Junkie, and I'm coming to you from the new workshop here at House of Tools. And today I'm going to talk to you about this new Wiha set. This is a new line of tools that they're coming out with. It comes in a foam tray, so basically it's really nice for your toolbox. This particular set is the 54079. This is a metric set. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box and take a look at this. So what we're looking at here is this nice T-handle. And you know, they've always talked about how nice and comfortable they are, and they're set up for good torque. You have two different places here. You have it here, so you have the leverage of the long arm. You have the ball end here, so you can speed it in and you don't have to be straight onto it. And this particular one has a number of pieces here, and it's all in this nice foam tray, so it just drops right in your toolbox. They've also cut out a thing here in the middle, so it's easy to grab what you want that way, so you don't have to struggle. You can easily grab whichever one you want. This foam should stay good for hopefully a lot of years. It feels like there's a harder plastic than the bottom. The bottom's a nice soft foam, but you got this harder plastic here, which is good if you got greasy, dirty hands. If you're working on a car or something, you can grab it, and you can probably clean this off down the road, but it makes it real convenient. I've always said, time is money. So if you can get to your tools much quicker, keep them all laid out and nice and neat, that will save you time, make you more money. So to hear more about this tool and to possibly buy it, give us a click on the link below at House of Tools and you can have this set for yourself. Thanks.